Hello, my friends. Mr. Mike here, and today we're covering a book called The Outback. It's the amazing animals of Australia. And who to better to cover it with than with Bluey and Bingo, and Mom and Dad. Let's begin. Yeah, this book is excellent because it is a 3D book by a live action. And yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. And for a book, you get to make a kangaroo hop on the first page. And then it's the Outback. Let's look at some of the pictures in the Outback. I guess this is called a gala. It's pretty cool, isn't it? 3D bird. Make it move really quick or make it move really slow. Okay. And now we have the wombat. Look at him walk. Let's make him walk backwards. It's pretty silly, isn't it? All right. Now we have the peacock spider. Oh, wow, look at him go. They are a pretty spider. Hey, a koala. Oh, look at him eat his food. Chomp, 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 chomp. Now he's eating it reverse. He's eating really fast. Chomp, 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 chomp. The frilled lizard. Look at him go. Oh, now he's running backwards. Really fast forward. All right. Now we have the echidna. Huh. Look at him walk. He's walking backwards. Oh, look at that camel. Yeah, I really love this book. If you have a chance to get it, you need to find it. Camel. And that would be that. So if you get the chance, find this book. It's The Outback. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye-bye.